No issues whatsoever.
Look at it, it's different, so you better leave it alone.
So yeah, I would say standing, pretty quick shots, follow-ups, all shot road, no issues, no failures to feed, no failures to eject. I'd say it was a pretty successful with the new 30 round C Products magazine, and it works just as good as my 10 round. Welcome back to Elfster's Rifles and Reloading, part 3 of this PSA 7.62 by 39 AR47 review. And if you haven't seen the first two parts of this series, I highly recommend rewinding and checking those out first. Unless you're just interested in the C Products magazine function, and continue watching. Now I'll admit, middle of winter here in Wisconsin and it is freezing, so I'm going to make this really brief. And I'm not so concerned about the accuracy in this video. I'm more concerned about the function of these C Products magazines, which obviously in the first two parts you've seen the 10 round function flawlessly for hundreds of rounds. No failures to eject or feed, but you haven't seen the 5 rounder, which is the same size as the 10 round. It just has a stopper in it to limit the rounds to 5 rounds. And I just purchased this 30 round for sale, I believe a little over 20 bucks. And I figure what the heck, I'd do it just for you guys. So let's get these loaded up, run down, and we're gonna shoot some steel at 50 and 100 yards standing. Right at 5, no more, no less, and they're easy to feed on the 5 rounder. Same for the 10 rounder. 10 rounds, no more, no less, is really easy to feed. I'll be right back. I need 5 more rounds. All right, 30 rounds, went in no problem. So we're gonna start out at 50 yards. So I did get one jam on that. Man, it is freezing. It is beyond cold. Well, I'm back home here at the reloading room. I decided to call it a wrap there out in the range because I realized there was still a round in the chamber. I did notice I had a primer strike on it, so I decided to bring this home and try and figure out what's going on here at the reloading room. So I got back, I instantly took the lower off the upper, looked into the chamber, and I noticed that there was still a round in there, and it did have a primer strike on it, and it also looked like the next round ran into that primer strike, so I was pretty confident that it went off. So anyway, I gently took a cleaning rod down the bore, and that round easily came out. And I instantly beelined it to the bolt, and sure enough, the extractor itself broke. Now, like I've said before in my previous videos, I'm an honest YouTube firearm reviewer. I show you how it is. I don't shoot any more, I don't shoot any less. You see it as it happens out at the range. And, you know, I'm sure this has something to do with maybe some faulty metal on the extractor itself, and also it was pretty darn cold out there. Let me see if I can focus in on this a little bit better. So yeah, being that PSA has, you know, lifetime warranty on their products, I don't see this being an issue, but hopefully this doesn't happen again. So anyway, I'm going to get a hold of PSA on Monday, or maybe after the holiday here, the new year, and have them send me a new one. So this was going to be the final episode of this PSA 7.62 by 39 KS47 series showing the C Products magazines, which this had nothing to do with the magazines itself. It was just a faulty extractor that broke on me. So I guess I'll have a part 4 to this series when I get this back, and I can try and do all that again. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in part 4.